Welcome in another tutorial video. I got today another fork from after the merge of Ethereum. It is EthereumFair. This is another coin which was created after the merge of the Ethereum. This EthereumFair uses same algorithm like old Ethereum, but it is proof of work, and miners can mine this coin with graphic cards. EthereumFair is listed on a couple of pools, so as you can see, couple of pools already started mining this coin, like F2 pool, Woolly, coin mining, and some others. It has listed on same on the couple exchanges like Max, Gate.io, Huobi, Bitmart, Xtep, Poloniex, and I don't see any other. Okay, so first thing, you will need to create a wallet address for this coin. You can use wallet address from some of the exchanges, or as I was asked to show you how to add this coin to MetaMask, because this is still new coin. This information is very hard to find, but if you go to the Twitter page by EthereumFair, on their Twitter page, you will see that the first pinned post is configuration for MetaMask. I already copied this in the text file, so I will show you how to connect MetaMask. Open your MetaMask and in settings, go to, on the left side, go to networks and click add a network. And now copy the information they have provided here, or I have this copied in text file, so I will use this. In the network name, place EthereumFair. On the network карапаца URL, place this. Chain ID, copy this number. Symbol ETHF, and the block explorer, copy this and click on save. Now you've added EthereumFair. This is the information. EthereumFair was successfully added. So in these networks you have two, Ethereum mainnet and EthereumFair. Address in MetaMask is this here. You can copy this and paste in text file to use in the mining software. So now we need to find pool. I will try with Woolly pool. If you go on their website, you will find two coins, ETHW and ETHFair, Ethereum proof of work and EthereumFair. Click on this and it will open this page. Click on the connection and select your region. I am from Europe. Select your miner. I will use Phoenix miner, same as I was mining Ethereum. I will copy this address and enter here. I will call test Kire. I will call my worker test Kire. And now you can see that there is a already ready file for Phoenix Miner. You can download this file and place in your Phoenix Miner folder. If you don't have a Phoenix Miner, you can download from this link. It goes directly to Bitcoin Talk. On this link you can download the latest version 6.2c. I already downloaded this, so I will open this folder. Here is the Phoenix Miner, and I will download this file from Vulipuli. Cut and place in the Phoenix Miner folder. Paste. Right click, show more options, edit. So you can see the options for Phoenix Miner. You can close this, and now you can try to start the batch file. I will open MSI Afterburner to set up my card. I will overclock a little bit and click apply, and now I will start this file from Vulipuli. Double click, run, and it will start mining. As you can see, it is generating DAG. This coin is for mining only with 6 GB card and more memory. This cannot be mined with old 4 GB card. It is the same algorithm like Ethereum, and it has DAG file with size more than 5 GB. So it's already started with mining. We are getting around 20 megahashes with this card. And now we will wait to find some share to be able to see our statistic in Vulipuli pool. You can copy address in the clipboard, and when the share will be fine, we will go to the Vulipuli pool to see our statistic. And after 15 minutes, this one card I am using for testing, it's finally found a share. So now we can go and check our statistic on the pool. You can go where this is saved wallet address or email, paste here and click on search, and as you can see, I have my worker and my hash rate is around 4.7 on pool, but this will grow slowly. It will grow up to my real hash rate. Any additional information about EthereumFair you can get from their Twitter official account, or on their website. There is nothing much, but you can find on their Twitter page, or you can check CoinMarketCap, and Here you can see the current price of the coin, how was in past 7 days, 1 month. This is not this old, but in past 7 days it is going downwards like any other mining coin. Almost forgot it. For those who are use simple mining, you can go to your simple mining account and go to the group config, same as any other ETHF coin. Name this group name ETHF, choose Phoenix Miner, choose miner version 6.2c, and in this miner option you need to change these options. You can copy from the batch file from Phoenix Miner, edit, open your, okay, here is the batch file. You can copy this address for pool and replace with current one, paste. This second pool you may delete. On wallet address, enter your wallet address with worker name, copy and replace this with, to be able all the rigs to take automatically their name, just type $, rig name, and this last part you may delete, and you need to copy again this from the batch file and just save it. And now you have your group config for mining with simple mining with Phoenix Miner. So I think that I've said everything I was thinking, and that is it. Thank you again for being on my channel, for watching this tutorials video, and we will see in the next video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, click on the like button and support me. Thank you and bye.